Neem face packs for all types of skin. Neem leaves have been used as a remedy for various skin problems like itchy skin, rashes, pimples, allergy, and inflammation. Here we are going to show a few easy neem face masks for all skin types to get clean, clear, and glowing skin. Neem with basil face pack. Basil with neem's combination proves to be beneficial for all types of skin. This pack will help in reducing dark spots, blemishes, acne, and will give glowing and healthy skin. Take handful of fresh neem and basil leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. If you have dry or normal skin, add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder if you have oily skin. Take fresh leaves and leave them to dry in the sun at least for a day. Once dried completely, grind them to obtain a fine powder. Now, depending upon your skin type, add ingredients to this powder and add a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply this pack on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then gently scrub it off in a circular motion. Finally, rinse off the pack with cold water and pat dry. Neem with turmeric face pack. Neem with turmeric do magic on dry skin as well as on oily skin. This pack helps to get rid of dryness and acne and makes your skin glow. Take 2 tablespoons neem paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix neem paste and turmeric powder together till it forms a thick paste. Use a few drops of water if needed. Now, apply this paste on your face and let it sit to dry completely. Finally, wash it off with cold water and only pat dry your face. Follow any of these amazing face packs and get glowing, flawless skin at home. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.